Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Dunk High Michigan colorway. Before we get into the review, guys, if you are new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell, and you'll never miss any of our latest videos. Let's get into the review. And unfortunately, I was not able to get a pair of the Dunk Highs, the Michigan, in my size, so we have kindly asked one of our friends here at Oneupreviewz to borrow theirs, and we've got it right here. Just so we're gonna have a little look at it. I'm gonna try them on just to see how they look on feet, but the sizing's off because, like I mentioned, this is not my size. Let's do this. So we've got the Nike Dunk High SP in Varsity Maize Midnight Navy, aka the Michigans. And we got this in the UK size 9, European 44, and it's a US size 10. And like many of you probably watching this, you weren't able to get a pair of Dunks this year, be it Nike SB Dunks or like the normal Dunks. So we're just thankful that we got friends here that are willing to let us review their sneakers. And to me, this is one of America's biggest colleges in regards to college basketball, because from what I remember in the 90s, so you had Jalen Rose, Chris Webber, I forgot the name of the other three players, but they were like the Fab Five, of basketball. Like, they dominated. They lost the NCAA final though because of some timeout that Chris Webber did a very long time ago, but that's like played him throughout his career. But I always remember them wearing that yellow and navy, the Michigan colors, and you'll see this right here, right there. So that's why I named them the Michigans, because it's that colorway, it's their colorway, the yellow and midnight navy. Like, this is such a dope sneaker. Like, the colorway, I'm so upset I wasn't able to get a pair in my size, but Dunks are just going. Like, it's mad how they're selling out left, right, center. Like, if you want to get a pair, you'd have to know people. I'm just thankful I was able to get a pair of the Dunk Lows in the lemon wash, which we've done a review just right there. But this is such a dope sneaker. This is probably, I want to say, the 5th time this has been released. I remember that the old 2003 Dunk Highs, like my colleague, he had a pair, he showed me unworn, and this kind of does remind me of the 03 versions. But yo, this is so dope. And just before we get into a real review of the whole silhouette, it comes in the yellow and white lacing. So if you're not feeling this blue, which I feel like you're an idiot if you're not feeling it, but you do you. Switch it out. Do whatever you want to do with your laces. We'll start with the outsole. So with that outsole, it's all rubber, typical Dunk patterning. You'll find it along with the Nike Air Jordan 1 as well. I mean, the Nike Dunk and the Nike Air Jordan 1 is pretty much the same, except like the odd branding here and there, but to the layman, they look like the same sneaker. Going along, the upper, so the upper, all the materials is leather except for the nylon in the tongue, and you got a hit of yellow, you got a hit of, I was gonna say purple, navy, that's on the outlay as well, and it just complements each other. It's so dope, really nice. Reminds me of the old school skaters that would wear like the SB version, the Dunk Low versions. So Virgil last year did the off-white Dunk Low. It was a similar colorway to this, it was more orangey, but I think he drew inspiration from this, which is, as I mentioned, it's iconic, championship. Though Chris Webber's team never won the championship in this, but nevertheless, it's dope. Let's just go more into the details. So you got perforations at the toe box there, nicely padded collar in the ankle, little pull tab at the heel, and that rounds it off. And I am so upset I'm so close to these sneakers and I'm not able to wear them out. I'm going to show you what they look like on feet, but don't take my sizing advice. When you're watching this, that is because these are not my size. And I just want to mention that it's got the typical lace system before I round it off. So it's typical lace system you'll find in an Air Jordan and a Dunk High, normal crisscross patterning, and we'll round it there. I'm so upset. But here we go. I'm no comments in regards to size, guys, but if they are like the Nike Dunk Lows that we previously reviewed, get your true to size, but don't hold me accountable because this is not my size. Even though I can't talk about the size, it feels very comfortable. I feel very, very protected around my ankle area. And obviously because they're not my size, they're not hugging my feet. But as I mentioned before, if they are like the SB Dunk or the Dunk Lows that we've previously reviewed on our channel, get your true to size. With that said, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram, and until next time, peace.